Hi friends, I am going to discuss about the difference between QGIS and ArcGIS. Before going to the video, I am uh, I am discussing some basic differences between QGIS and ArcGIS. QGIS which is an open source geographic information system software and which will runs on Windows, Mac and Linux, and it's an user friendly GIS and it will providing common functions and features, and it is also free. It's a collaborative and cross-platform software that is constantly developing by QGIS community. And coming to RGIS, it's a geographic informative system, GIS, for working with maps and geographic informations maintained by the Environmental System Research Institute, which is called as ESRI, and which is also used for creating and using map, and this is compiling geographic data, analyzing mapped information, sharing and discovering geographic information, and using map and geographic information in a range of application, and managing geographic information in a database. And both of them have which are the leading GIS softwares, and they are almost similar with only a few of the differences. And also both are two great platforms for anyone to work with. And let us go through the video. Here we can see two applications are open on side by side, and on the left side we have ArcMap, and on the right side we have QGIS, and on the top we can see the toolbar in both the application. The toolbar which will have say some differences, but they all are still using the same basics. In the images, or in the if some images, some bar have differences in their appearances, but they have still using the same basics, and they have only small differences, but they are using for the same purposes. And the map too are same map. Same map is used in this too. And on the left side we can see browser and layers. Um, Browser which is similar to the catalog, which is seen on the right side of the ArcGIS. Here we can see browser panel in QGIS, and the two uh, browser panel which is similar to that of catalog in the ArcGIS. And so from the browser we get resources for adding the layer, connecting the database, and in the browser we can see the folder connection, and here the folders and drives are automatically connected. While installing the QGIS, it's automatically set up all these connection to the drive. And coming to the layers in QGIS, which is similar to the layers in ArcGIS, both are similar, and here are a lot of layers in ArcGIS, and also there are a lot of layers in QGIS. Going to the properties, just right click on it and we will get the properties. And also going to the properties of QGIS. The two layer properties are visible in the screen. In the ArcGIS, here the list of properties is similar. Both of the list of properties are similar, and the general tab, which is similar to the information from which we get the data, extent, access, field, etc. We get all these informations, and uh, from the field in information tab, there is also in information tab there is a field which gives more specific information and quicker information than the ArcGIS. And going to the again going to the source, we get the information, we get the coordinate system. On the bottom there is query builder, which is seen on the bottom in QGIS. And in the definition query, which is on the ArcGIS, we get query builder. When we click on it, we get some details, and the query builder between two are very similar, and both of them have same informations, like operators, which have operators, field, etc. Then going to the symbology, here there is some difference in both of them, but it is simple to change the symbology in each one. And in this symbology, when we click on symbols, from which we get different symbols, and we can change the symbols in ArcGIS. And going to QGIS, it is giving some suggestions at the bottom, and also can change the color fill by clicking on it. From there it open up. Interested with QGIS with ArcGIS, outline with is automatically selected. When in QGIS, it is used in units such as millimeters, meters, at scale, map units, etc. And it will gives greater flexibility and how we set up the symbology. And this is how we will set up the symbology. And on the top there is a sample fill. We can change the fill color, fill style, stroke color which means the outline color, and stroke color which is with stroke width, and we can also change the units here. The stroke width, which is similar to the outline width on the ArcGIS, and join style will be similar to the advanced symbology settings. And coming to the labels, in QGIS we are using single labeling. and in Arcgis also we are similar label features are also seen, and on the Qgis we can see tools formatting buffer on the side table. Next one is the diagram. Diagram is preparing the charts and graphs. Sometimes we can't do in ArcMap in this layer properties. Then going to the source field where which is similar to the field in the ArcGIS, uh, and which is same as the field in the ArcGIS. Then coming to the join we can add and remove joins on the bottom, and then coming to the display name which is similar to the display in the ArcGIS, and no next one is scale dependent visibility. Then it is similar to the scale view which is on the general tab, and it is based on the scale. These are the various options in QGIS and ArcGIS, and now we get various ideas about the various options in the QGIS and ArcGIS, and we can identify the differences in QGIS and ArcGIS. Thank you.